This was the most serious attack in 2 weeks. In a single night, Russia fired 70 missiles and 611 drones toward Ukraine, which struck more than a dozen buildings, damaged power lines, and left over 140,000 people without electricity. As long as Putin is alive, nothing will change. I hope hell swallows him up. I have only one thought. This evil, which today, along with the Russians, will go to hell with Russia. As a result of the shelling, the Kyiv-Pechersk Lavra, an Orthodox monastery listed as a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a symbol of Ukraine's spiritual and cultural heritage, was severely damaged. Putin is showing the whole world that he doesn't care about universal human values or sacred places. That is why I sincerely call for this crime to be held accountable and condemned forever. Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky personally visited the destroyed monastery. The impressive complex, featuring historic bell towers, magnificent churches, chapels, gates, and seminary buildings, was founded in the year 1051. This was an attack on our history, without a doubt. You understand well that there are no such monuments in Russia, and Russia is doing everything it can to ensure we don't have them either. Today I'm heading to the G7 summit. I'll meet with European leaders, as well as President Trump, and we'll discuss how to strengthen our air defense and how to put pressure on Putin to end this war. French authorities have condemned Russia's recent attacks on Ukraine, and Foreign Minister Jean-Noël Barrot compared the attack on the Kyiv-Pechersk Lavra monastery to the bombing of Notre Dame Cathedral in Paris. In Ukraine, Vladimir Putin's Russia has once again demonstrated the extent of its cruelty by launching a massive attack on Kyiv, causing extremely severe damage to the Kyiv-Pechersk Lavra, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, an act that for us French would be equivalent to the bombing of Notre Dame Cathedral or Saint-Denis. During more than 4 years of invasion, Russia has destroyed a total of approximately 1,700 cultural heritage sites in Ukraine, some of which have been lost forever. The Kyiv-Pechersk Lavra was first attacked this winter, but yesterday's attack caused damage to all the upper parts of the monastery. The paintings and frescoes are at risk. The Pechersk Lavra is of immense importance, not only to the faithful in Ukraine, but also constitutes the historical heart of the Orthodox Church.